Hey people, hi. Hi everyone. How are you all? Hi, how are you? Hi everyone. Hello. So people, I cannot interact with you since I'm not live, but you never know, I could be reading your chats. So keep interacting with me, keep sending messages, the things that I ask, please keep replying with them. Okay? And nevertheless, the main target is study. Okay? So let's start. So topic of discussion of today, as you know it, it's solid state. Everybody good, right? सब बढ़िया जल्दी से बता दो everybody is fine. Okay, very good, very good. As expected, everybody is good. Very good, very good, very good. So, people, solid state we are doing, and the target is by this week we'll be completing it. Okay. So now today we have to start with a very important topic of solid state. That's the close packed structure. How is the close packing done, and how close it is actually the close packed structure. Okay, the solids, the actual packing of atoms in the three-dimensional solids, that is what we have to do. But of course, we'll be starting with the very basic. Okay, first of all, we'll be doing the one-dimensional packing, then two-dimensional, then three-dimensional. Okay, a part of it will be covered today, and the part that will be left, I'll be covering it in the next class. So stay tuned, people. Okay. Okay, so today our topic of discussion for today is introduction to close packed structures, and that's part 7, episode 7, of course. Okay, so people, those who haven't joined the Telegram group, I always tell this to you, please join it. A lot of activities, lot of interactions are happening there. The PDF, I send the PDF there daily. Okay, and interaction with me. I send a lot of messages there daily. So please join this group. Okay, it's very important, especially in this part, the holiday time. Okay, so join it, click on the link, and you'll be a part of the Telegram group. Okay, and those who haven't subscribed to the channel, people, please click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you receive each and every notification regarding the sessions that will be happening or that are happening now. So please click the subscribe button, people. Everybody. Okay, very good. So people, that was the question of the day that I gave you in the last class. Niobium crystallizes in BCC structure if the density is given out to be itnia. Calculate the atomic radius of niobium using atomic mass 93U. Okay, so you already know what is U. Basically, this is the mass of one niobium atom. Okay, if atomic mass is 93U, then the molar mass, that is mass of 1 mole of niobium, it will be what? It will be 93 gram per mole. है ना? ठीक है, that we did in the mole concept, that is मतलब done in the mole concept. ठीक है, now using the formula of the density, what is density? Density is nothing, it is Z into M. ठीक है, upon, or you can directly, you could directly do it वैसे. I told you 1 U is equals to 1 by Na gram, right? ठीक है, so it was directly this way, 93U, 93 by Na gram, mass of one atom. From here we will be getting the same thing, since this is the mass of one mole of atom, so mass of one atom, that is small m, it will be 93 upon Na. Same thing will be doing, so it is one and the same thing, you can do it anyway. ठीक है, so Z into M upon क्या लेते थे? Na. To take the mass of one atom, this will be the mass of one atom, that is the small m, and then the volume, that is the A cube. ठीक है, now since the arrangement is BCC, ठीक है, for this arrangement Z is equals to how much, people? Z is how much? कितना होता है Z? It's 2, right? ठीक है, we have done it a number of times, that is the effective number of atoms in BCC will be 2. ठीक है, so it is given 8.55 is equals to Z will be how much? 2 into M is given 93. A we will be calculating from here, people, into Na, right? Okay, so when you solve this thing, you'll be getting A, but what will be the unit of A? Since the density is in gram per centimeter cube, right? Density is in gram per centimeter cube, and this was the thing in gram, right? So gram will cancel out, है ना? Gram will cancel out, and you'll be getting A in centimeters when you solve it from here. So how much will be A? A will be 2 into 93. I will not be doing the calculation part, that you have to do 6.022 into 10 to the power 24. People do it. ठीक है, and यहाँ पर एक और चीज आ जाएगी, that's 8.55. ठीक है, and since it was cube, so this will be to the power 1 by 3, right? So this will be the value of A that you can calculate, and this will be in centimeter, right? ठीक है. So the value will be getting in centimeter. Now people, when you have BCC arrangement, then what is the what is the relationship between A and R? We know that for BCC, in BCC the atoms touch each other along the body diagonal, right? They touch each other along the body diagonal. So basically for BCC, I'll just write it here. Root 3 is equals to root 3A is equals to 4R, right? Root 3A will be equals to 4R. So from here, R will be equals to root 3A by 4. So you already know the value of A. Multiplied by root 3 and divided by 4, you will be getting the value of radius of the atom, that is R. Okay. So this is how you are supposed to do this question. Okay. I'll just repeat what did we do? The mass of atom, everything was given. Okay, we just utilize the formula of the density. This is the formula of the density of the crystal or density of the unit cell, right? Z is equals to 2 for BCC because atoms are at the corners and in the body center, so Z will be 2, right? Okay. So when you put all the values, you will be getting the value of A from density. Now A आ गया, लेकिन हमें निकालना क्या है? We have to calculate the atomic radius, people. So we need to know the relation between the atomic radius and A, that is the edge length. Now for BCC, root 3A is equals to 4R. Okay, so if you know A, then you can calculate R, root 3A by 4, and then you can convert it by the unit. You can convert it to picometer or angstrom. This will be coming in centimeter. Why? Because A is coming in centimeter. Okay. So this will be the answer, people. I hope you all must be getting this answer. 330.4 picometer, right? This will be the answer. Okay. So people, moving on, today we have to do the close packed structures. That is our topic for today, topic of discussion for today. Okay, so we'll be doing first of all one dimensional packing, then we'll be doing two dimensional packing, then we'll be doing three dimensional packing. Okay, now you must be thinking, ma'am, ये one dimensional packing क्या है? One dimensional packing, does it even occur? Okay, it doesn't occur. Two dimensional packing also doesn't occur, but this 1D and 2D, they are gonna build the base for the 3D. Okay, they will be building up your base of the packing for 3D. So before directly going to 3D, we'll be doing the 1D packing, then 2D, then 3D. Okay. Starting with the one dimensional packing. Since people it is one dimensional, okay, so only one dimension will be occupied, that is this dimension. Okay, horizontal dimension I have taken, this dimension will be occupied. So that is what the arrangement will be. One arrangement is possible. You have just linked the atoms one by one. You have just placed the atoms one after another. That is the arrangement that will be possible. Okay. Now if you want to choose the unit cell, what will be the unit cell? This is gonna be the unit cell. One atom, this can be the unit cell. Okay, because when I arrange this atom, this unit cell, this part along the dimension, I'll be getting the complete crystal. Okay. So how many atoms does the unit cell has? It is having one atom. So Z is equals to 1 for this packing. Z is what? Z is the effective number of atoms per unit cell. Okay. Since this is gonna be our unit cell and it is containing one atom only. Okay. Why is this the unit cell? Because this is the smallest part. Okay. This is the smallest symmetrical part by the repetition of which the complete crystal can be generated. Right. Okay. So Z will be equals to 1. Now people, you can easily tell me the coordination number of each atom. Coordination number means the nearest neighbor of an atom. Okay. Whenever you have to calculate the nearest neighbor of an atom in a packing, you have to consider the atom that is present in the middle. Never consider the atom that are present on the side. जो side पे atom present है उसको नहीं लेते. ठीक है, because that's a rare atom. All the atoms, this atom in the packing, they will be present in the middle, right? Okay. So unless and until it is asked that calculate the coordination number of side atom, you have to calculate the coordination number of middle atom. Okay. So how many atoms is this atom touching directly? This atom and this atom. So coordination number will be 2. Just that. Okay. So this was the one dimensional packing, which is very, very simple. Okay. Moving on. Okay, but before that I would like to tell you something, people. So if you must be preparing, every one of you would be preparing about JEE or NEET, right? JEE or NEET. Okay, everybody does that, of course. Okay, so people, if you are doing that, why not prepare with the India's best or India's most innovative platform? Okay, online is the only option we have nowadays. ठीक है. So you have to go for the best online option that is available to you. ठीक है. So people, there is something called pro subscription that we are bringing for you. ठीक है. In this pro subscription you can have full access, unlimited access to all the live classes. ठीक है. Of course for your course, ठीक है, the course that you are choosing, you can have all the live classes. For that you can attend as many live classes as you want, as much you want. ठीक है. All the subjects, each and every subject will be covered in very very detail. ठीक है. You have the option of language also. You can choose either English or Hindi. दोनों में से किसी को भी choose कर सकते हो. ठीक है. You can study in English or Hindi. Instant in class doubt solving. I always explain this point because मतलब this is so amazing thing. ठीक है. Why? Because in every class people, we have different kind of teachers. ठीक है. People, there will be a personal teacher also. Every student will be given a personal teacher with whom you can share your grievances, any problem that you are sharing, any subject in which you are lagging, you can share with him or her. ठीक है. Instant in class doubt solving. Why? Because we have two kinds of teachers. One will be the master teacher who will be taking the topic, taking the course that I am doing. ठीक है. Other one will be the class teacher who will just be taking your doubts during the session. This is for during the session. ठीक है. क्योंकि there are a number of students can be there in the session, so the master teacher might not able be to pay attention to each and every student. So the doubt that you are getting when the master teacher is explaining something, that you can ask from the class teacher. So your each and every doubt will be cleared. Each and every doubt will be cleared, people. ठीक है. And of course you will be mastering the topic then. ठीक है. And the other thing, learn safe from home. You don't need to go anywhere. Just sit at your home, take your device and start learning. Okay. Assignments, test and assignments will be given which contain a number of questions from previous year NEET and JEE and CBSE, of course. ठीक है. After every test you will be given a feedback in which you can analyze your performance. ठीक है. That is where you are lagging and where you are not lagging and all and all. ठीक है. Option to learn in English Hindi, I already told you. Other thing is micro course, बच्चे. You can also have the chapter wise course. You can also enroll in the chapter wise course. ठीक है. Once you buy the subscription, your main course will be running, of course, but the chapter wise course you can also join. You can also go for the chapter wise course. ठीक है. For example, if there is a chapter that you want to learn before the chapter comes in the course, then you can go for the chapter wise course that is also going on with another teacher. ठीक है. So in that way you get to interact with a number of teachers also, है ना. You get to share knowledge with a number of teachers also, and your concepts will build up also. ठीक है. Okay, now people, what is the price of the subscription? If you go for 1 month, then that's the price. But if you use the coupon code that I'll just be telling you, ठीक है, then the price will be इतना. And if you see per day price is just इतना. ठीक है. And if you buy the 6-month subscription, people, then this is the discounted price, which is very much less. ठीक है. And per month price will be this amount, and this is the per day price. ठीक है. So people, all your subjects will be covered in just ₹54 per day, that too in detail, है ना. So ऐसी opportunity और कहाँ और कब और कहाँ. So people, what are you waiting for? Buy now. That's the link. Just click on the link and use this coupon code, that's SAPRO. ठीक है. In order to avail the 15% discount. So if you are using this coupon code, you will be getting the 15% discount. ठीक है. So click on the link, choose your class, then choose your course, then fill this coupon code and you will be getting the discount. ठीक है people. See you there then. ठीक है. Okay. Coming back. So now we'll be doing the closed packed structure in 2D. Now we have come to 2D. That is, now we'll be having 2 dimensions. One is the horizontal and one is the vertical. ठीक है. Now people, in 2D, how do you calculate the packing efficiency? Remember packing efficiency we calculated for unit cells. Now we are calculating that for packing itself. ठीक है. So packing efficiency for 2D, it will be given by area occupied by the atoms. Why are we taking area here, not the volume? Because we are talking about 2D. So in 2D it will be area, 2 dimensions. ठीक है. So area occupied by the atoms divided by the total area multiplied by the 100. So basically volume is replaced by what? Area. That is what it is. ठीक है. So the very first type of packing, people, this is gonna be this type. Okay, so this dimension and this dimension is being covered. So that is how 2D packing will look like to you. ठीक है. Now people, for this packing, first of all we give it a name. ठीक है. Why do we call it square closed packing? Because the unit cell that we are gonna select, ठीक है, it will look like a square to you, the unit cell. For example people, देखो, this can be the unit cell of the packing, right? If I क्या कहते हैं, if I repeat this square, ठीक है, in all directions like I am doing right now, then I'll be getting the complete crystal, yes or no, right? Yes na, got it na? ठीक है. Similarly, if I repeat it in the downward direction also, I'll be getting the complete crystal. So this is gonna be the unit cell, and shape of the unit cell is the square. Basic shape of the unit cell is a square. That is why it is called square closed packing. One name, ठीक है. Now we have got to give it another name. एक और नाम देना है in terms of A B something called. ठीक है. So in two-dimensional packing, people, what do we do? There are layers. Basically, there are layers of atom. Let me change the color and let me just erase it so that we can do other thing. Okay. Okay people, so we have got to give it other name by layer. So this is the layer, this is the first layer in this dimension, of course. Let me call it layer A. Okay. Now when you start placing other layer, you will be using the second dimension, that is this dimension. Okay. So this is the second layer, and we can see that the second layer is just below the atoms that are present in the first layer. So second layer, isn't second layer identical to the first layer? Yes, it is. ठीक है. So it will also be called A layer. Similarly, the third layer, it will also be called A layer. ठीक है. So you can also call it A packing, and so on and so on. These layers will keep on repeating, right, in this direction. So this is called A packing because all the layers are same. ठीक है. Now the other thing, second thing, you have to calculate Z for it. Z is the effective number of atoms per unit cell. ठीक है, that is the effective number of atoms present per unit cell. People, we have already chosen the unit cell. I have already told you the unit cell. ठीक है, square वाला जो ये unit cell है, ठीक है, इसमें we have to calculate Z. You can easily calculate it. You can easily tell me. Let me know in the chat box बच्चे, what is the Z? Z क्या होगा इसके लिए? Of course, this is our unit cell, and if you look at this atom, how much portion are we getting inside the unit cell? This is the 1/4 portion of this atom, right? 1/4 portion. Similarly, 1/4 portion of this atom we are getting in the unit cell. Similarly, 1/4 portion of this atom and 1/4 part of this atom, clearly, right? ठीक है. So each atoms are present only at the corners, and contribution or share of contribution of each atom per unit cell, it is how much? Per unit cell, it is nothing but it is 1/4 people, 1/4 clearly. And how many such atoms are there? They are also 4. So how can you calculate Z? Z will be equal to 1/4. That is the contribution of each atom multiplied by the 4. ठीक है, that is the total number of atoms in one unit cell. 4 atoms are there in the unit cell which are present at the corners, of course. ठीक है, so Z will be nothing but 1. So effective number of atoms per unit cell, how much are they? They are 1. Very good. ठीक है, now we have got to calculate the coordination number of each atom. I told you, for calculating coordination number, look for the atom that is exactly in the middle of the packing. ठीक है, बीच वाला एटम लेना है, साइड वाला नहीं. लेट अस टेक एनी एटम पीपल, यू कैन टेक एनी एटम. लेट मी टेक दिस एटम. This atom is touching how many atoms? Two-dimensional packing. This is all. This is the packing that we can have. That is, which means that no atom will be above it because it is two-dimensional. ठीक है. So people, this atom is touching this atom. ठीक है, I'm just marking it. This atom. It is also touching this atom. ठीक है, it is also touching this atom, and it is touching this atom, the one to the left, the one which is in the left to it. ठीक है, so the coordination number of a given atom in square closed packing, it is 4. It is 4. That is, each atom will be touching 4 atoms exactly in the packing. ठीक है, got it people? So this was with the square closed packing. First 2D packing. Now we can also have another 2D packing, but before that we have got to calculate the packing efficiency in SCP. What if we want to calculate the packing efficiency? I told you what is the packing efficiency. Packing efficiency is nothing. It is the area occupied by the atoms. Why are we using area, people? Again, two-dimensional. That is why. So, area occupied by the atoms divided by the total area of the unit cell. Unit cell, I told you, unit cell is the miniature of the complete packing. So whatever is the packing efficiency of unit cell, same will be the packing efficiency of the crystal. So area occupied by the atoms in unit cell divided by the total area of the unit cell. Okay. Now people, what was the unit cell? Let us draw this unit cell here in the next page. So unit cell was something like that, four atoms which are exactly touching each other. Okay, and this was the shape of the unit cell, that is square. Okay, we have already calculated Z. Z will be what? Contribution of each atom is 1 by 4. And how many atoms are there? 4 atoms. So it will be 1. Okay, radius of each atom, let us call it R. Okay, so area occupied by the atoms will be, since there is one atom per unit cell, so area occupied in the unit cell by the atoms, it will be pi r square, that is area of one atom, right? Okay, now people, total area, total the unit cell is a square. Okay, and let the edge length of the unit cell, it is, let us call it a. Okay, clearly people, this will be the edge length and it is a square. This A is equals to how much? This A is equals to R plus R, clearly. So A is nothing but 2R. Okay, now people, total area of the unit cell is how much? Total area of unit cell is how much? It is gonna be A square. A square means it will be 2R ka whole square. So it will be 4R square, right? ठीक है, यही हो जाएगा ना? Okay, so packing efficiency will be how much? Packing efficiency हो जाएगी area occupied pi r square upon 4r square multiplied by 100. Oh, I am so sorry, I forget here. Packing efficiency is multiplied by 100 na. ठीक है, that would be the packing fraction. If you are not taking 100, then that would be the packing fraction. ठीक है, so people, this will come out to be something 78.5% around. ठीक है, so that's the packing efficiency of this packing in 2D square closed packing. ठीक है, same kind of question people, it has asked in JEE Advanced and it is about two-dimensional packing. You can search it out and you can attempt it. You will be able to do it now. ठीक है, हो जाएगा आराम से. Okay, moving on. Okay, the second type of two-dimensional packing is hexagonal closed packing. Why do we call it hexagonal closed packing? You will able to understand it by just having a look at the packing. Okay, so this is gonna be the packing, people. Okay, so the atoms are not below the atoms that are present in the first layer. This is first layer. Let us call it A layer. Okay, since in the second layer the atoms are not just below the atoms of the A layer, they are occupying different positions. So this will be a different layer, that is, it is called B layer. Okay, so now the next layer, now the next layer is just same as the A layer. Atoms are occupying the same position as that the atoms in the A layer, clearly. So this will again be the A layer. Okay, again the next layer will be B layer and so on. So what kind of packing is this? It is AB packing. Okay, this is gonna be AB packing, people. Very simple. Okay, now moving on, people. Now we need to do the same thing for this. Why is it called hexagonal closed packing? Because the unit cell that you can select will be having the hexagonal shape. Okay, let me see. People, see, if you look at this atom, okay, and then this atom, then this atom, then this atom, and here, then here. Okay, this is gonna be one unit cell. Okay, and when you when you repeat it, this is the basic structure, basic unit, basic part of the crystal, by repeating which you can have the complete unit cell. Okay, for example, here, from here one hexagon can be formed. Okay, same from here one hexagon can be formed. ऐसे ऊपर जाएगा ये थोड़ा सा. ठीक है, similarly from here another hexagon can be formed. ठीक है, similarly from here people, other hexagon can be formed, which will be going like this. And similarly from here the next hexagon can be formed which is just above the screen. ठीक है, so that is why this is called hexagonal close packing, because a number of hexagon can be picked up, repeating which the whole crystal can be generated. So this unit, that thing that I have just marked, this unit is the basic unit of the crystal. ठीक है, that is why it is called the unit cell. ठीक है, now we need to calculate two things from here, people. First of all, we'll be calculating the Z, that is the effective number of atoms per unit cell. ठीक है, how do you calculate it, people? How many types of atoms we are having? This is this atom, ठीक है, which is present at the corners. ठीक है, so basically we have 6 atoms that are present at the corners and 1 atom that is present inside the unit cell, which is not shared anywhere. ठीक है, since it is 2D, so atoms will not be above these atoms ना, so this atom, this middle atom is not shared anywhere. ठीक है, now let us see the corner atoms. They are shared between how many unit cells? You can clearly see, people, this corner atom. Okay, I'll change the color so that it becomes easier. This corner atom, or any corner atom, you can take any corner atom. It is shared between how many unit cell, people? Clearly this unit cell is taking 1/3 area of it, 1/3 area of it. So it means that it is shared between, 3 hexagons, ठीक है, in the same layer, and this is the only layer that we are having since it is 2D. ठीक है, so this is shared between 3 unit cells, 3 unit cells. ठीक है, you can look for this atom, people. ये atom देख लो नहीं तो, ठीक है, ये वाला atom exactly बीच में है, corner atom. ठीक है, this is shared, this is present in this unit cell. इस unit cell में तो आ ही रहा है, right? And it will be present in this unit cell. ठीक है, and it will be present in this unit cell also. ठीक है, so these 3 unit cell, it is gonna be shared in these 3 unit cell. So contribution, I'll just write it here. Contribution of each corner atom of the hexagon that we have chosen, contribution of each corner atom, how much is it? It is 1/3. ठीक है, and how many corner atoms are there? Total corner atoms are how many? Total corner atoms, how many corner atoms are there, people? 6. They are 6. Yes, very good. ठीक है, now we have another kind of atom that is just present inside the hexagon. It is not shared anywhere. It is not shared between any unit cell. Why? Because this is the only layer that you have. There will be, इसके ऊपर कोई atoms नहीं होंगे बच्चे, because this is a 2D packing. ठीक है, so जो atoms आपको दिख रहे हैं वही हैं, इनके ऊपर कोई atoms नहीं आएंगे. ठीक है, इसके पीछे भी नहीं आएंगे. That is why this atom is not shared between any unit cell, this atom that I just colored. ठीक है, so its contribution is gonna be how much? Its contribution will be exactly 1. ठीक है, so we have a centered atom, contribution of centered atom, let's call it centered atom. How much is it? It will be 1. ठीक है, so we have 2 type of atoms. We have corner atoms, contribution of each is 1/3, and 6 corner atoms are there per unit cell. Plus we have another atom, another corner atom that is present in the center, and its contribution will be 1 because this is a 2D packing. ठीक है, so total how much do we have? We have 3 atoms. Effective number of atoms are 3. ठीक है, so now we have calculated the Z. Now we need to calculate the coordination number, people. Coordination number of each atom. Coordination number कितना होगा? हर atom का coordination number कितना होगा? Coordination number of each atom you can look from here. This red atom, it is touching how many atoms? It is touching this atom, it is touching this atom, it is touching this atom, this atom, this atom, and this atom. ठीक है, so coordination number of each atom would be how much? 6, because each atom is in contact with the 6 atoms in the same layer, in the 2-dimensional layer, not the AB wali layer, in the complete 2D layer, in the complete planar layer that we are looking at. ठीक है, so coordination number would be how much? It's gonna be 6. Okay, clear, people? This packing is clear. So that is gonna building up the base of our solid structure 3D packing. Okay, chalo. Now let's compare them. ठीक है, clearly, people, you can clearly see that the packing efficiency of this HCP is more. ठीक है, packing efficiency of this HCP is more. Here the packing efficiency will be more. ठीक है. So this is gonna be the base of the closed packed structures in 3D. ठीक है. In 3D we will be placing the atoms above this layer, above and below this layer, because it will be three dimensional, right? ठीक है. So because its packing efficiency is more, so this packing HCP 2D packing, it is gonna be the base for the three dimensional closed packed structures. ठीक है. So let's do them. Let's have a look at them. क्लोज पैकिंग इन 3D में क्लोज पैकिंग कैसे करनी है आपको. लेट्स सी. ओके, वेरी फर्स्ट क्लोज पैकिंग इज 3D क्लोज पैकिंग फ्रॉम 2D स्क्वायर क्लोज पैकिंग. ठीक है, स्क्वायर क्लोज पैकिंग इतनी भी बुरी नहीं है, सही है, तो उसको भी कंसीडर करेंगे. ठीक है. सो दिस इज द पैकिंग दैट यू विल गेट. ठीक है. 2D close square close packing you have taken. ठीक है. That is the atoms will be something like this. Okay, atoms will be like this, and below it and this and this. Now people, when we study 3D ना, ठीक है, so you are not, मतलब you are not giving name to the layers in one dimension. We will be giving name to the layer in plane, in a plane. ठीक है. So let us call this planar layer A. Let us call this planar layer A. ठीक है. Now the other layer, how do we form other layer? The other layer, people, it will be formed by placing the atoms just above them, just above them. ठीक है. So the second layer will be formed by the atoms, placing the atom just above it like this. I am drawing it by dash, so the other atoms are clearly visible to you. ठीक है. So this is how you are gonna place the second layer. Since in second layer, the atoms are just present above the atoms of the A layer. So this is also called A layer. Similarly, the next layer will be same, the next layer will be same, the next layer will be same. So this is nothing but AAA packing. This is nothing but, this is gonna be AAA packing. ठीक है. So the crystal will look like something this. ठीक है. And if you take the unit cell, people, this is gonna be the unit cell. This is gonna be the unit cell. ठीक है. So I draw it like this. This is the square that is near to us, that is मतलब towards us. ठीक है. But in the back side, behind it, we have another square that I drew by red color, right? So when you join them, ठीक है, what are you getting, people? We are getting a cube. ठीक है. And if you remember, corners are occupied. If you remember, this is nothing, this is the simple cubic closed packing. So this is how we get the simple cubic closed packing. ठीक है. This atom, these both atoms are touching each other, they are touching each other. ठीक है. So basically atoms are touching along the edges. Atoms are touching along the edges. Along the edges. ठीक है. So this is nothing but simple cubic packing. क्या है ये? This is simple cubic packing. ठीक है. SCC. ठीक है. And if you remember, we have already done it. ठीक है. So we are not gonna repeat it. इसमें Z कितना होता है, people? Z कितना होता है? Let me know in the chat box. Come on, come on. Z will be how much? 1. Yes, exactly. Because each contribution, the contribution of each corner atom will be 1 by 8. ठीक है. So 1 by 8 into 8 will be 1. Now the other thing is the coordination number. This I have told you earlier. ये भी बता दिया था मैंने. Coordination number. Coordination number of each atom in the complete crystal. How much will it be? I already told you. Let me tell you again. एक बार और बता देती हूँ. So this atom, if you see this atom, this is touching this atom that is behind it. ठीक है. This is touching this atom that is present, मतलब below it. And this atom that is present in the left side to it. ठीक है. Similarly, one atom will be there in front of it. ठीक है. Another atom will be in right to it in the complete crystal, and one atom will be in top of it. In top of it. ठीक है. So how many atoms will it touch? It is touching 6 atoms. 6 atoms. So coordination number of each atom will be 6. That's what we already did. ठीक है. Moving on, people. Let's move on. Now voids in the packing, I already told you about them. So let's just have a quick review. जल्दी से करेंगे इसको, फटाफट देखेंगे. Octahedral void कैसे बनता है? Tetrahedral void. Tetrahedral void कैसे बनता है? 3 atoms will be forming क्या कहते हैं, equilateral triangle. And when you place another atom over it, then the little space that is formed between the 3 atoms and the atoms above it, it is called tetrahedral void. ठीक है, यहाँ पे कहीं पे बन जाएगा, यहाँ पे कहीं पे, ठीक है, इन 3 एटम्स के और इस एटम के बीच में बनता है यहाँ पे कहीं पे. दिस विल बी कॉल्ड अ टेट्राहेड्रल void. That's what we did. Okay. Okay, so this is how it will look like. Then we have octahedral void. Octahedral void कैसे बनता है? Octahedral void is something like this. ठीक है, it is surrounded by, basically it is surrounded by how many atoms? It is gonna be surrounded by 6 atoms. ठीक है, 3 atoms are forming this triangle and the other 3 atoms are forming the triangle in the opposite direction. ठीक है, and the region that is present unoccupied in between them, this is called octahedral void. That is what we did in the previous classes, right? Okay, so 3 atoms and you place 3 atoms over them, उनके ऊपर 3 atoms और कर दो, लेकिन opposite direction में करना है. इसकी direction ये है और इसकी direction क्या है? opposite direction में रखना है. You will be getting, यहाँ पे कहीं पे बन जाएगा octahedral void. ठीक है, in between them. Okay, that is how it will look like. I just drew it here. ठीक है, यहाँ पर बना दिया है मैंने. Okay, now people close packing in 3D, and this 3D close packing from 2D hexagonal close pack layer. I told you close packing, for close packing the HCP packing is gonna be the base because it was having more packing fraction. So this is our first layer for the close pack structures, and there are 2 types of close pack structure that we'll be doing. Okay, let's start them. It's gonna be very, very interesting. Okay, so placing the, first of all, this is the first layer, people. This is the first layer. Okay, I would like if you draw it with me. मेरे साथ साथ बनाते जाओ. Let just draw this first layer. Take your notebook and pen with you and draw this first layer. ठीक है. Now you can see that people in this first layer we are having this kind of मतलब empty positions. ठीक है, this kind, this position or this position, this triangle or this triangle or this triangle. ठीक है, so 2 kind of triangles we are getting in opposite directions. ठीक है, so one of these triangles will be filled. ठीक है, that is we are keeping the atoms like this. एक next layer जो बनाएंगे उसमें atom को ऐसे रखना है. ठीक है, then again next layer. ठीक है, then this layer. ठीक है, and so on and so on. So basically these spaces that are left na, these spaces are gonna be occupied. ठीक है, these spaces that are left, these spaces, these are going to be occupied by the next layer atom. ठीक है, so बच्चे मतलब do not take it वैसे, क्योंकि I have drawn a very bad circles. ठीक है, so it's not kind of clearly visible. Should I draw it again? I can do that. ठीक है, इसे अच्छा तो रबी कर दो इसको. That's too bad. ठीक है, so basically what are we doing, people? We will be placing the other layer like this. ठीक है, and then other layer like this. Better है ना, better. And then other layer like this, then like this, and so on like this. ठीक है, so placing the second layer over the first. Second layer is gonna be placed. That was the first layer. Okay, now we have the first layer also. Okay, this was the first layer, people. ठीक है, see very, very carefully. Now this is the second layer. ठीक है, so what we have covered? We have covered these triangles that were present in the first layer. In first layer we have 2 kind of triangles. This triangle, okay, which is having its apex upward. ठीक है, then we have this kind of triangle also. In NCERT it is given like this. This triangle which is having the direction downward. That is this triangle. ठीक है, so we are filling these triangles. These kind of triangles are being filled. So the second layer is placed by the second layer is made by placing the atoms over these triangles. ठीक है, so let's have the second layer. Okay, so these are left unoccupied. ठीक है, so people, if you see here, if you see this arrangement very carefully, then we are having 2 types of voids in this layer. 2 kinds of voids in this layer. ठीक है, octahedral तो फटाफट दिख जाएगा. The triangle that I have marked, this one is nothing but octahedral void. ठीक है, for example this void, ये void बताओ. This void is touching how many atoms? This is not 2D बच्चे, this is 3D. So this void is touching कौन से? These 3 atoms, this one, this and this and these 3 atoms in the first layer. ठीक है, I'll just draw it like this. and they are also touching the atoms, three atoms of red layer. Red layer में भी three atoms को touch करेगा ये void. ठीक है, like this. ठीक है, so this void that I have just marked, this is nothing but an octahedral void. ठीक है, so we have one octahedral void and we also have a tetrahedral void. How? People, look at this void, look at this position. How many atoms is this void touching? कितने atoms touch कर रहा है? Three atoms in the same layer and one atom in the layer behind it. One atom in the layer behind it, that is this black वाला atom. ठीक है, this black वाला atom I'll show you by black color only. आजा. Okay, it is not, नहीं, it works. ठीक है, so this black वाला atom, this is also touching this black वाला atom, right? That is present below it. ठीक है, so total number of atoms that this void will touch, how many atoms? 4 atoms. 3 are forming an equilateral triangle and 1 atom is present below it. ठीक है, below it. So this is what? This is a tetrahedral void. This will be called a tetrahedral void. ठीक है, okay. And this is nothing but an octahedral void. This will be octahedral void because it is surrounded by 3 red atoms in downward triangle and 3 black atoms in upward triangle. Same as this atom, same as this void. ठीक है, so two type of voids we are getting when we have placed 2 layers. ठीक है, now let us name the layers, people. The first layer was called layer A. ठीक है, now you can see that the second layer, in the second layer that is shown by red color, the atoms are not exactly above the atoms of the layer A. So it will be called, it will be given name a different layer. It will be called a different layer, that is layer B. This will be called a different layer, that is layer B. Now suppose we have to form another layer, that is layer C. For placing layer C, na, we have two kind of positions. ठीक है, what are those positions? First of all, either you can cover the octahedral voids, ठीक है, that I just showed you after 2 layers. After placing 2 layers, we are getting 2 types of voids, tetrahedral and octahedral. Or you can cover tetrahedral voids, or you can cover tetrahedral voids. ठीक है, so we will be doing both of them one by one. First of all, let's cover these voids, that is tetrahedral voids. First of all, we are covering the tetrahedral voids. ठीक है, let's do it, people. So there are 2 ways of placing the third layer, that is by placing atoms on tetrahedral or on octahedral void. So we are placing the atoms on tetrahedral void, people. Again, I'll be showing you the 3 layers. See very carefully. Okay, that was our first layer. Is it visible? Is it even visible? Oh, that's kind of very light color, people. I'm so sorry about that. ठीक है, this is second layer, that is a little dark red वाली layer. पीछे pink वाले दिख रहे हैं वैसे. ठीक है, little मतलब दिख रहे हैं. If you are मतलब kind of थोड़ा सा कलर में वो है तो नहीं दिखेगा, but ध्यान से देखोगे तो दिख जाएगा. ठीक है, so after placing these layer we got 2 types of voids. ठीक है, this void, if I ask you, this void, ये कौन सा void है? Which void is this, people? Come on, tell me. Let me know in the chat box. That's a tetrahedral void. 4 atoms, 4 atoms. Which void is this? This void. ठीक है, this is an octahedral void, 6 atoms. ठीक है, now we are covering the tetrahedral void. So let's have the third layer. ठीक है, so people, when you cover the tetrahedral void, that is these voids, clearly you will be having the atom just above, that will come just above the atom of the first layer, very first layer, that is the A layer. So this kind of arrangement you will be getting. Okay, so this blue one is nothing but this is the third layer, very third layer that I showed you. Okay, I can remove it. Now it can come. Okay, because you have to cover the tetrahedral void. This is another tetrahedral void. Okay, then people, this is another tetrahedral void. Okay, so similarly और कहाँ tetrahedral void, ये octahedral है. This is another tetrahedral void. ठीक है, so basically when you cover the tetrahedral void, you will be placing the atom just above the atom of the A layer. Okay, like this. So first of all, what kind of packing is this? The first layer was A layer. ठीक है, the red layer was called B layer. Now this layer, what do we call it? This is just same as the A layer. So let's call it that. ठीक है, so it is A only. So what kind of packing are we getting after covering these, covering tetrahedral voids? we get a packing that is called AB packing. First of all, AB packing. Okay, I'm sorry, AB packing. ठीक है, now this is the kind of technical name. Now we give it the other name based upon the unit cell, people, based upon the unit cell. ठीक है, now people be with me, we will be selecting a unit cell. ठीक है, कैसे यूनिट सेल सेलेक्ट करना है, चलो यूनिट सेल बाद में सेलेक्ट करते हैं. पहले फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट्स कैलकुलेट द कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर ऑफ ईच एटम. आई टोल्ड यू हाउ डू वी कैलकुलेट द कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर. You have to take an atom which is present in the middle, which is in the middle of the packing. ठीक है, सो लेट्स टेक कौन सा एटम ले हम, लेट्स टेक दिस एटम, जस्ट दिस एटम, ये वाला एटम. ठीक है, द एटम ऑफ द ए लेयर, एटम ऑफ द ए लेयर. हाउ मेनी एटम इज इट टचिंग. तो इस एटम की बात करते हैं, ये जो ए लेयर वाला एटम है, इस एटम की बात कर रहे हैं हम, जो ए लेयर में, जो सबसे पीछे लेयर में. ठीक है, पहले हम ये देखते हैं कि हाउ मेनी एटम्स इज इट टचिंग इन द सेम लेयर. सेम लेयर में कितने एटम्स को टच कर रहा है पीपल, ये इफ यू सी केयरफुली it will be touching, it is touching this atom in the same layer, in the same layer it is touching this atom, then it is touching this atom. कितने atoms हो गए, 2 atoms. ठीक है, then it is touching this atom that I already marked, then it is touching this atom. ठीक है, then it is touching this atom जो इसके नीचे present है, then it is touching, I have drawn a smaller circle, then it is touching this atom. So how many atoms is it touching in the same layer. कितने atoms को touch कर रहा है बच्चे, ये मैंने छोटा बना दिया था, ये इतना बड़ा होगा. ठीक है, इसको भी टच करेगा वैसे ये. ठीक है, कितने एटम्स को टच कर रहा है सेम लेयर में, 6 एटम्स. ठीक है, सो लेट मी राइट इट हियर एंड ओके, यहाँ पर नहीं लिखते, यहाँ पर यूनिट सेल बनाएंगे थोड़ा बहुत, यहाँ लिखते हैं एन एटम टचेस 6 atoms in the same layer, okay, same layer में 6 atoms touch कर रहा है. Now this was the atom that we took from the layer A. ठीक है, अब पूरी पैकिंग में क्या होगा, लेयर A के ऊपर भी B लेयर होगी, लेयर A के नीचे भी B लेयर होगी. ठीक है, ऊपर भी B लेयर, नीचे भी B लेयर. So let's see how many atoms is this atom touching from the B layer that is present above and below it. ठीक है, लेट्स सी दैट. सो इट इज टचिंग बच्चे. अच्छा, रेड वाले एटम देखने हैं ना अब हमें, तो रेड कलर ले लेते हैं. सो रेड वाले एटम में एक तो इसको टच कर रहा है, देखो इस एटम को टच कर रहा है, इस एटम के कांटेक्ट में है ये. ठीक है, ये वाला एटम के, दैट आई जस्ट मार्क्ड. ठीक है, ब्लैक वाला जिसको शेड कर रखा है उस एटम को देखना है आपको, इस एटम को टच करेगा, ये एटम टच कर देगा ब्लैक शेडेड वाले को. ठीक है, सिमिलरली ये एटम टच कर देगा. और कोई एटम टच कर रहा है बी लेयर का, और कोई एटम टच कर रहा है इस एटम को बी लेयर का, नो. सो दीज 3 एटम्स फ्रॉम बी लेयर आर टचिंग इट. ठीक है, सिंस द सेम लेयर विल बी प्रेजेंट बिलो इट ऑल्सो, बिहाइंड इट ऑल्सो. ठीक है, सो 3 एटम्स फ्रॉम दैट लेयर विल बी टचिंग इट फ्रॉम द बिहाइंड लेयर ऑल्सो. आगे की लेयर जो हमें दिख रही है उसके 3 एटम्स इस एटम को टच कर रहे हैं, तो जो पीछे की लेयर होगी उसके भी 3 एटम इस एटम को टच करेंगे. ठीक है, सो दिस एटम दैट वी टुक फ्रॉम द ए लेयर, इट इज टचिंग 6 एटम्स इन द सेम लेयर. ठीक है, 3 एटम्स अबव इट, 3 एटम्स अबव इट and 3 atoms below it, 3 atoms below it. ठीक है, so what will be the coordination number people, what will be the total coordination number of an atom. एक एटम का coordination number कितना होगा, let me tell you, कहाँ पर लिखें, यहाँ पे तो आई विल भी, यहाँ पे लिख देते हैं. सो द कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर ऑफ ईच एटम, टोटल कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर कितना हो गया, इट विल बी हाउ मच, इट विल बी 6 in the same layer plus 3 in the layer above it, similarly 3 in the layer below it. ठीक है, और behind it, so total it will be 12. ठीक है, so remember this thing people, coordination number of a given atom in the close packed structure, in the close packed structure. ठीक है, either it is HCP or it is the one that we'll be doing later on. ठीक है, because we are taking 2 layers only. ठीक है, we are yet to cover the tetrahedral voids. It will be 12. It will be 12. Keep that in mind. It is gonna be 12. ठीक है, clear? 6 atoms in the same layer, 3 above it, 3 below it. ठीक है, now let's have the unit cell. For having the unit cell people, we need to have the third layer. Let's have the third layer even. थर्ड लेयर क्या होगी, इन थर्ड लेयर वी आर गेटिंग द एटम्स जस्ट अबव द ए लेयर. आई टोल्ड यू, जस्ट अबव द ए लेयर, राइट. ठीक है, तो this will be the third layer. It is not visible now because I had black, I have used the black color. Okay, so this is the third layer. Okay, so same the third layer will be like this. Now people, let's derive the unit cell. बहुत easy होगा unit cell निकालना. ठीक है, let me take this atom people, let me take this atom. ठीक है, here I am going, then here I am coming. ठीक है, then I am going here. ठीक है, then this is the atom ना, then here and then here like this. ठीक है, can you see the red hexagon or should I use another color? Let me take blue color. चलो blue color ले लेते हैं. blue color से ये hexagon देखो बच्चे. If I repeat this hexagon in all the direction, I can get the complete crystal. ठीक है, so this is gonna be the unit cell. This is gonna be the unit cell. अब कितने एटम आ रहे हैं इस हेक्सागन में ये देखते हैं. ठीक है, सबसे पहले लेयर ए के देखते हैं. लेयर ए के एटम किससे बनाया हमने? पिंक से बनाए थे. ओके, पिंक कलर आई डोंट हैव पीपल, सो आई एम यूजिंग, व्हाट डू आई यूज? आई एम यूजिंग लाइट पर्पल कलर फॉर लेयर ए. ठीक है, पर्पल कलर के कौन से एटम्स आ रहे हैं? एक ये वाला एटम आ रहा है कॉर्नर पे. ठीक है, एक बीच में एटम आ रहा है, एक यहाँ पे आ रहा है, एक यहाँ आ रहा है और एक यहाँ आ रहा है. ठीक है, सिमिलरली दिस एंड दिस. ठीक है, दिस इज द, दीज आर द एटम्स दैट यू हैव सिलेक्टेड फ्रॉम लेयर ए. ठीक है, अब आ जाओ लेयर बी पे. लेयर बी कौन से कलर की है? रेड कलर की. ठीक है, कौन से एटम्स आ रहे हैं? देखो इस हेक्सागन में कौन से एटम्स आ रहे हैं. एक तो ये एटम आ रहा है बच्चे, ये एटम थोड़ा सा बाहर चला गया ये क्योंकि मैंने सही से नहीं बनाया. देन दिस एटम, then this atom. So 3 atoms we are getting like this. ठीक है, and these 3 atoms are from layer B. ठीक है बच्चे, यहाँ पर बनाना मुश्किल हो जाएगा. Then the again third layer, if you remember, the third layer was just same as the first layer. ठीक है, so the third layer will be having the atoms. बच्चे मैं छोटा छोटा बना रही हूँ क्योंकि sorry. एक मिनट just a second. Okay, let's come back. So the third layer कहाँ पे बनाएं? थर्ड लेयर यहाँ पे बना दूं बच्चे मैं, क्योंकि यहाँ पर जगह नहीं है. Where did the eraser go? Why is it not working? Okay, so people, third layer I am drawing here. Pen is working. चलो, still pen is working. थर्ड लेयर आई एम ड्रॉइंग हेयर क्योंकि वहां पर थोड़ी जगह कम पड़ गई है. ठीक है, थर्ड लेयर आई एम ड्रॉइंग हेयर. सो दीज आर द 3 एटम्स. ठीक है, just like the layer A. So this is gonna be layer C. So this is how you will be making the unit cell. 6 atoms of A layer, then 3 atoms from B layer that are coming inside the hexagon, as you can see from here. Then 6 atoms from the last layer, that is C, which is same as A. So let's call it A. We have called it A now. Let's call it A only. Okay, people. Okay, moving on. It just started again. Okay, so when we covered the tetrahedral voids, we get a packing that will be something like this. It will look something like this. Okay, we took a hexagon from A, then 3 atoms were there from B, then hexagon from A, then 3 atoms were there from B. Okay, so the unit cell, the packing will look like this. Now let's have the unit cell. I told you A के 6 atom लिए हैं हमने, B के 3 atoms लिए हैं, and then the last layer A, which was same as that of the first layer, उसके भी 6 atoms लिए हैं. ठीक है, so when you join them ना people, when you join them, this is the unit cell that you are gonna get. ऐसा unit cell मिल जाएगा आपको. ठीक है, now coordination number we already know. The last thing that you will calculate is Z कैसे calculate करें इसके लिए? Very easy people, बहुत easy होगा. देखो यहाँ से I can draw another hexagon ऐसे. This was an atom. Okay, similarly from here I can draw this hexagon. ठीक है, these are in the same layer में हो गए. ठीक है, so if you look at this atom, this corner atom, ये कितने hexagons में share हो रहा है? If we look in the same layer, कितने hexagon में share हो रहा है? 3 hexagons में. ठीक है, लेकिन 3 hexagon इसके ऊपर भी तो होंगे, because this is a 3D packing, right? जैसे ये जो face है, ठीक है, ये जो face है, this face is shared between how much hexagons? 2 hexagons ना. ठीक है. So this is shared in the 3 hexagons at the same height, 3 hexagons at the same height and 3 hexagons that are above it. ठीक है. तो टोटल कितने हेक्सागन्स में शेयर हो रहा है ये? 6 hexagons. It is shared between how many? 6 hexagons people. It is shared between 6 hexagons. ठीक है. A little imagination is required. 3 हेक्सागन तो हमें दिख ही रहे हैं. 3 हेक्सागन बिल्कुल ऐसे होंगे. ठीक है. 3 हेक्सागन मतलब जिनकी हाइट नीचे की तरफ ले रहे हैं हम. अब 3 हेक्सागन जिनकी हाइट ऊपर की तरफ ले लो. ठीक है. सो 6 हेक्सागन में शेयर हो जाएगा. सो ईच कॉर्नर एटम is shared between 6 hexagonal unit cells. 6 unit cells. ठीक है. is shared between 6 unit cells. ठीक है. जब हमने पहले जो 2D वाली पैकिंग की थी उसमें हाइट नहीं थी ना बच्चे, उसमें हाइट तो थी नहीं. ठीक है. so that is why the corner atom was shared between only 3 unit cells. Here it is shared between 6 unit cells क्योंकि 3 तो ये हो गए unit cell, 3 इसके ऊपर हो जाएंगे. ठीक है. so contribution of each corner atom, I'll just write it here. That's the last topic people we are doing. ठीक है. Contribution of each corner atom कितना होगा? Each corner atom, it is going to be nothing but 1/6. ठीक है. Now we have this atom which is present in the center of the face of the hexagon. कितने यूनिट सेल में शेयर होगा ये? वेरी इजी. एक तो इसी यूनिट सेल में शेयर हो रहा है, एक इसके ऊपर वाले यूनिट सेल में. ठीक है. ये फेस है. ठीक है. एक यूनिट सेल ऐसे नीचे की तरफ जा रहा है, नीचे की तरफ हाइट जा रही है. एक यूनिट सेल ऊपर की तरफ भी तो आएगा. वन यूनिट सेल विल बी अबव इट आल्सो ना. ठीक है. सो दिस फेस इट विल बी शेयर्ड बिटवीन 2 यूनिट सेल्स. Similarly, this atom will be shared between 2 unit cells, so its contribution will be 1/2 people. 1/2 हो जाएगा. ठीक है. Now these 3 atoms जो B layer के थे, these were, remember I showed you, these were just coming inside the unit cell. They are just present inside the body of the unit cell in between the A and the A layer. जो ऊपर वाली A layer थी और जो नीचे वाली A layer थी, उसके just बीच में 3 atoms आ रहे थे B layer के. So they are just present inside the body of the unit cell. So their contribution will be 1. ठीक है. So next, contribution of each face centered atom. फेस सेंटर्ड का हाफ ही होता है. ये तो क्यूबिकल में भी किया था हमने. इट विल बी 1/2. ठीक है. देन कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ 3 एटम. ठीक है. एन एटम प्रेजेंट इनसाइड द बॉडी दैट वाज फ्रॉम द बी लेयर. Contribution of atom in the body of the hexagonal unit cell, it will be 1, completely 1. ठीक है. Now people let's calculate Z for it. Corner atom का contribution कितना है? 1/6. How many corner atoms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 corner atoms are there because 2 hexagonal faces are there which are joined from 6 ends. Which are joined from 6 corners. ठीक है. So multiply it by 12. ठीक है. Plus the face centered atom. How many face centered atoms are there? 1 ये है और 1 ये है. How many face centered atoms? 2 face centered atoms into 1/2. ठीक है. Plus क्या करना है? 3 atoms of B layer that are exactly in the body of the unit cell. ठीक है. So कितना हो गया people? ये this will be 2 plus 1 plus 1 6. ठीक है. So effective, that is why it is called hexagonal packing. ठीक है. So now you can give it the name since the unit cell is hexagonal and effective number of atoms are 6. ठीक है. So it is called hexagonal closed packing. Hexagonal closed packing. Very important. ठीक है. And effective number of atoms in this packing are how much? They are 6. Z will be 6. Coordination number I already told you, it will be 12. ठीक है. So that's it people that we have to do for hexagonal closed packing. ठीक है. If you had some doubts then you can watch this video again and they will all be clear, trust me. ठीक है. Okay. So this was the thing that you should know about the hexagonal closed packing. Also the packing efficiency. Why is it coming again? Okay. So that's the expanded view of the unit cell that is being shown. This is A layer. This will be again B layer. This will be again B layer. This will be again A layer. ठीक है. Okay. So packing efficiency people. Packing efficiency of this, if you calculate, it comes out to be 74%. it is same as that of the FCC की packing efficiency याद है ना कितनी थी 74%. So that's the maximum packing efficiency that we have for 3-dimensional closed packing. That is the actual solids. ठीक है, that is the most closed packing, which is for 2 packings. One is HCP, hexagonal closed packing, that we just did this packing, and other one is FCC that we are yet to do, जो हम next class में करेंगे. Both have same 74%. Okay, so people, again I am telling you the price pro subscription, which was very important here. Okay, and very available in very less amount. That's the per month amount. Okay, and if you apply the coupon code, this will be the effective amount. Then this is the 6-month amount, and if you apply the coupon code, per day amount will be this only. Okay, this which is too less. People, click on the link, select your class, select your course, then use the coupon code SAPRO. ठीक है, and get enrolled in the pro subscription. We are all waiting for you. Okay people, okay, let's summarize people. So we did 1D packing, then we did 2D, then we did 3D. ठीक है, 3D में the main packing that we did today was HCP, very important. ठीक है, hexagonal close packing, which was also called ABAB packing. ठीक है, 2 things are important for it. One is Z, that I already told you, Z will be 6, and the other one is the coordination number of each atom. Coordination number हमने कैसे निकाला था? Each atom was touching 6 atoms in the same layer, 3 atoms above in the above layer, and 3 atoms in the below layer. ठीक है, so total will be 12. ठीक है, then packing efficiency I told you for HCP it would be 74%. How did we got HCP? We had the first layer, 2-dimensional hexagonal layer. ठीक है, then we placed the atoms over the triangular voids that I showed you. Then we covered the tetrahedral voids. When we covered the tetrahedral voids, the third layer was coming out to be exactly same as that of first layer. That is why it is called ABAB packing. ठीक है people? Okay people, that's my schedule. Class 11 is for Monday, Wednesday, and how much? Friday, and class 12 it is Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. ठीक है, I would recommend do not miss any session. In the upcoming session, we'll be interacting with each other. ठीक है, a lot. ठीक है. Okay, now is the question of the day, people. The value of Z for HCP arrangement, 3-dimensional wala, and coordination number of an atom in HCP respectively are 6 and 8, 6 and 12, 12 and 6, or 8 and 6. So people, attempt it and give your answer, write your answer in the comment section. You know that I go through the comments and I find out your answers. Okay, I will see you in the next sessions. If you haven't joined the Telegram group, people, please click on the link and join it. That's very important. All the interactions are happening there. So please join it. Please become a part of it. Okay. And if you haven't subscribed till now, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you do not miss any important session that will be coming. Okay people? Okay. So I will see you in the next session. Okay. Okay. Bye bye people. Take care. Please revise the session. Okay. That's only your homework. Okay. You just have to revise. Just revise it completely, thoroughly. Okay. Draw the structures by yourself in your notebooks. And if you have any doubt, then let me know. Okay. Bye bye people. Bye. Take care.